Hi, welcome back to my channel for those of you who are returning and the newbies. I just wanted to show you my mouse pad that I got from Acorn Printing. I got this last year. I just never did a review on it and I love it. It's a custom design print that you can do on a mouse pad. I think it makes a great gift for someone. I personally got this for myself. So you basically just take whatever picture you want to have and you upload it to this company, and you can choose your own font color and of course your text, what you want to do. I kind of rushed when I did this. I didn't really know how it would turn out and I didn't really take my time. I would have did a lot more different things, but this is a picture of my grandsons and just hiding their faces. But I just wanted you to see the quality of it. It's really nice. Like I said, I had this for a year, so you're going to see little marks and stuff on it from me using it, the wear and tear. But the quality of the mouse pad is really nice. Very detailed. The picture looks just like the picture. And I love it. My grandkids, they flipped when they actually saw themselves on a mouse pad. So this would be a great gift, a birthday gift, a Christmas gift. You want something very unique. This is very soft, very smooth, and let me just flip it over. Very nice quality pad. So if you're looking for a unique gift, check their site out. I was impressed, and I definitely plan to maybe get some more personal designs for people. If you know people that they still use a mouse pad, I do. I can't live without one. Use them. This great stuff, great quality. Thanks for watching.